Lernen Englisch mit ifactner.com. Lektion 2. Einkaufen. Shopping. 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 Einkaufen. Shopping. Wie viel kostet das? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How we much feel costes. Wie viel kostet das? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Is this fresh? Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Is this fresh? Is it fresh? Es ist teuer. It is expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive. Es ist teuer. It's expensive. Es ist abgestanden. It is stale. Stale. It is stale. It is stale. Es ist abgestanden. It is stale. Das ist billig. This is cheap. Cheap. This is cheap. This is cheap. Das ist billig. This is cheap. Gib mir 2 Kilo. Give me 2 kilos. Give me 2 kilos. Give me 2 kilos. Gib mir 2 Kilo. Give me 2 kilos. Was ist der Gesamtbetrag? Was ist der Gesamtbetrag? What's the total amount? What is the total amount? What's the total amount? What is the total amount? What's the total amount? Was ist der Gesamtbetrag? What's the total amount? Den Preis reduzieren. Reduce the price. Price. Reduce the price. Reduce the price. Den Preis reduzieren. Reduce the price. Gib mir eine große Tasche. Give me a big bag. Give me a big bag. Give me a big bag. Gib mir eine große Tasche. Give me a big bag. Haben Sie Zucker? Do you have sugar? Do you have sugar? Do you have sugar? Haben Sie Zucker? Do you have sugar? In English. Learn English. Shopping. How much does this cost? Is it fresh? It's expensive. It is stale. This is cheap. Give me 2 kilos. What's the total amount? Reduce the price, please. Give me a big bag. Do you have sugar? Übung. Ich spreche Deutsch. Du sprichst Englisch. Einkaufen. Ja. Grocery shopping. Wie viel kostet das? Ja. How much does this cost? Ist es fresh? Ja. Is it fresh? Es ist teuer. Yes, it's expensive. Es ist abgestanden. Yes, it is stale. Das ist billig. Yes, this is cheap. Give me 2 Kilo. Yes, give me 2 Kilos. Was ist der Gemäßbetrag? Yes, what's the total amount? Den Preis reduzieren? Yes, reduce the price. Gib mir eine große Tasche. Yes, give me a big bag. Haben Sie Zucker? Yes, do you have sugar? Lektion 2 mit ifactner.com. Tschüss.